Hello friends. Good afternoon everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos related to mathematics for higher education, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss Cauchy integral formula based problem. Now, first problem number first. Okay. Use Cauchy integral formula to evaluate integration over c sin pi z square plus cos pi z square upon z minus 1 z minus 2 dz, where C is circle, Z modulus is equal to 3. Now answer. The integrand has singularity Z minus 1, Z minus 2 is equal to 0. That is Z is equal to 1, 2. R2 simple pole lie in given region, that is given circle whose center 0 radius 3. Then by Cauchy integral formula, integration over contour C sin pi z square plus cos pi z square upon z minus 1 z minus 2 dz, this is equal to integration over c1 sin pi z square plus cos pi z square upon z minus 2 upon z minus 1 dz plus integration over contour c2 sin pi z square plus cos pi z square upon z minus 1 upon z minus 2 dz, this is equal to 2 pi I sin pi z square plus cos pi z square upon z minus 2, add z is equal to 1 plus 2 pi I sin pi z square plus cos pi z square upon z minus 1, add z is equal to 2. Now 2 pi I sin pi plus cos pi upon 1 minus 2 plus 2 pi I sin pi plus sin 4 pi cos 4 pi upon 2 minus 1. Now this is equal to 2 pi I, this is equal to minus 1 upon minus 1 plus 2 pi I, 0 plus 1 upon 1, this is equal 2 pi I plus 2 pi I, this is equal to 4 pi I, is a complete solution. Now next question number 2. Evaluate the following integral over contour C cos z upon z square dz, where C is the ellipse 9x square plus 4y square, this is equal to 1. This is the equation of ellipse. Now solution. Since pole z is equal to 0, the given ellipse enclose the simple pole. Then by Cauchy integral formula, integration over c cos z upon z dz, this is equal 2 pi I cos z at z is equal to 0. Now 2 pi I cos 0, value of cos 0 is equal to 1, that is 2 pi I is a solution. Now next question, question number 3. Evaluate integration 4 minus 3z upon z, z minus 1, z minus 2 dz. We have see the circle z modulus is equal to 3 by 2 has been come UPTU 2015. Now answer. Pole of the integrand are poles of the integrand z, z minus 1, z minus 2 equal to 0. That is z is equal to 0, 1, 2 are simple. But z equal to 0, 1 lie in z modulus is equal to 3 by 2, but z is equal to 2 outside the region. Region is z modulus is equal to 3 by 2. That is, it is a circle whose center 0 radius 3 by 2. Therefore, by Cauchy integral formula, integration over c 4 minus 3z upon z, z minus 1, z minus 2 dz, this is equal to integration over contour c1 4 minus 3z upon z minus 1, z minus 2 upon z dz plus integration over contour c2 z minus 1 4 minus 3z upon z, z minus 2 dz. This is equal to 2 pi I 4 minus 3z upon z minus 1, z minus 2 at z is equal to 0 plus 2 pi I 4 minus 3z upon z, z minus 2 at z is equal to 1. Now 2 pi I 4 upon 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2 plus 2 pi I 4 upon 1, 1 minus 2. This is equal 4 pi I minus 4 pi I. This is equal to 1 or 1 4 minus 1 4 minus 3. This is equal to 1. So 2 pi I, sorry. Now complete solution is 2 pi I is his answer. Okay student. Question number 4. Evaluate integration over contour C z square plus 1 upon z square minus 1 dz, where C is circle. First part, z modulus is equal to 3 by 2. Second part, z minus 1 modulus is equal to 1. Third part, z modulus is equal to half. First part has become AKTU 2016. Second part has become UPTU 2014, and third part has become UPTU 2014. Now solution. For first part, integrand has poles. Z is equal to plus minus 1. Now first condition, given circle is Z modulus is equal to 3 by 2. Z modulus is equal to 3 by 2 is a given circle. Now 1, 1, 1 and 1. Okay. Since first part, since both poles lie in Z modulus is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, by Cauchy integral formula, integration over C Z square plus 1 Z square minus 1 dz, this is equal to integration over C1 Z square plus 1 upon Z minus 1 upon Z plus 1 dz, plus integration over C2 Z square plus 1 upon Z plus 1 upon Z minus 1 dz, this is equal to 2 pi I Z square plus 1 upon Z minus 1 at Z is equal to minus 1 plus 2 pi I Z square plus 1 upon Z plus 1 at Z is equal to 1. Now 2 pi I 1 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 2 pi I 1 plus 1 upon 2. Now this is equal to 0. Now second part, the second part, given circle is Z minus 1 modulus is equal to 1. Now we can construct the given circle. This is equal to 1. Now this is the circle Z minus 1 modulus 1. This is equal to 1. Okay. Since pole Z is equal to 1 lie in given region and Z is equal to minus 1 does not lie in this region, then by Cauchy integral formula, integration upon C Z square plus 1 upon Z square minus 1 dz equivalent to integration over contour C1 Z square plus 1 upon Z plus 1 upon Z minus 1 dz, this is equal to 2 pi I Z square plus 1 upon Z plus 1 at Z is equal to 1. Now 2 pi I 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1, this is equal to 2 pi I is a complete solution. Now third part, given circle is Z modulus is equal to half. Now we can draw this circle whose center is 0, radius is half. This is equal to Z modulus is equal to half. In this case, both pole outside the given region, z modulus is equal to half. Then by Cauchy integral formula, integration over c z square plus 1 z square minus 1 dz, this is equal to 0. Okay. Now next question, question number 5. Integrate z cube minus 1 whole की power minus 2 the counterclockwise sense around the circle z minus 1 modulus is equal to 1. Now this is a circle, this is equal to 1. Now z minus 1 modulus is equal to 1. Singularity of integrand. Z cube minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Then z minus 1 whole square or z square plus z plus 1 whole square, this is equal to 0. That is z is equal to 1 or z is equal to minus 1 plus minus I under root 3 by 2 are of order 2. But z equal to 1 lie in given region and other is outside the region. Then by Cauchy integral formula, integration over c dz upon z cube minus 1 whole square dz. Now this is equal to integration over contour c1 1 upon z square plus z plus 1 whole square upon z minus 1 whole square dz. This is equal to 2 pi I factorial 1 and 1 times differentiation with respect to variable z of 1 upon z square plus z plus 1 whole square at z is equal to 1. Now repeat again. We accept this, then we get the term differentiate one quantity less than of the order of the pole and divide one quantity of order of 1 factorial. Then when we get the complete value of the integral. Okay student? Now differentiate. We get 2 pi I minus 2 2z plus 1 upon z square plus z plus 1 whole cube at z is equal to 1. This is equal to 4 pi I minus 2 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus 1 whole cube. This is equal to minus 4 pi I upon 9. Okay. Now next question, question number 6. Evaluate integration over contour C z minus 3 upon z square plus 2z plus 5 dz where C is the circle. C is the circle. First part, Z modulus is equal to 1. Second part, Z plus 1 minus I modulus equal to 2. And third part, Z plus 1 plus I modulus is equal to 2. Now solution. Integrand has singularity Z square plus 2Z plus 5 equal to 0 by Sridhacharya formula. Minus B plus minus B square minus 4 into A into C upon 2 into A. Now this is equal to minus 1 plus minus 2I. That is Z is equal to minus 1 plus 2I, comma minus 1 minus 2I are simple pole. Now first region, Z modulus is equal to 1. Since both poles outside the region, then by Cauchy integral formula, integration over C, integrand Z minus 3 upon Z square plus 2Z plus 5 dz will be 0. Now second part, since Z is equal to minus 1 plus 2I lie in given region, Z plus 1 minus I modulus 2. Okay student. Now we draw the circle. This is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Now center of circle 1 minus 1 comma I. Now here minus 1 comma I. Okay student. Now we draw Z plus 1 minus I modulus equal to 2. Then by Cauchy integral formula, integration over C, Z minus 3 upon Z square plus 2Z plus 5 dz. This is equal to integration over C1, Z minus 3 upon Z plus 1 minus plus 2I upon Z plus 1 minus 2I dz. This is equal to 2 pi I Z minus 3 upon Z plus 1 plus 2I at Z is equal to minus 1 plus 2I. This is equal to 2 pi I minus 1 2I minus 3 upon minus 1 plus 2I plus 1 plus 2I. This is equal 2 pi I minus 4 plus 2i upon 4i. Now pi into minus 2 plus I is the value of the integral. Now third part, since pole z is equal to minus 1 minus 2i lie in z plus 1 minus plus 2i, sorry, z plus 1 plus I, not 2i, equal to 2, we can construct the figure of the given circle. Plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. Now the center of the this is the center of the circle, minus 1 minus I, minus 1 minus I, and radius is 2. Okay, integral over contour C z minus 3 dz upon z square plus 2z plus 5, this is equal to integration over contour C1 z minus 3 upon z plus 1 minus 2i upon z plus 1 plus 2i dz. This is equal to pi I z minus 3 upon z plus 1 minus 2i at z is equal to minus 1 minus 2i. This is equal to 2 pi I minus 1 minus 2i minus 3 upon minus 1 minus 2i plus 1 minus 2i. This is equal to pi I minus 4 minus 2i upon minus 4i. This is equal to pi into 2 plus I. Okay, student? This figure is wrong. This figure can be drawn as well as following figure. Okay?